In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put square root in WPS. Adding mathematical symbols like the square root is essential when you are creating documents that involve formulas, equations, or any type of calculation. WPS Office makes this process very simple and intuitive, allowing you to add equations quickly and keep your document clean and professional. To begin, open your WPS document and go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In this tab, you will find the equation option. Tap on it to see a drop-down menu, then select Insert New Equation. This will open the Equation Tools, which gives you access to a variety of mathematical symbols and structures to use in your document. Once the equation tools are active, locate the radical option. This section contains different forms of radicals, including the standard square root and other root variations. For this tutorial, we will use the first option, which is the classic square root symbol. After selecting the square root, a placeholder will appear in your document. Click inside the placeholder and type the number or expression that you want to be under the square root. As soon as you enter your number, the square root will display correctly in your document, maintaining a clean and readable format. Using the equation tools in WPS not only allows you to add square roots, but also opens up options for more complex formulas. You can combine radicals with fractions, exponents, and other mathematical symbols, making it a powerful feature for students, educators, or anyone working with technical content. One of the advantages of using this method is that it keeps your equations editable. If you need to change the number under the square root or adjust the formatting later, you can simply click on the equation and make the edits without disrupting the rest of your document. This flexibility ensures accuracy and efficiency when creating mathematical documents. By following these steps, you can easily insert square roots and other mathematical symbols in WPS, making your work look professional and well organized. This method is straightforward and works across different versions of WPS Office, whether you are on a desktop or mobile device. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.